Is now the right time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, November 10, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4. Visit StockInvest.us to tap into the power of artificial intelligence. Get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. On November 2, 2023, our system identified Nvidia as a buy candidate with a score of 3.57. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive 11.1% gain since we first listed Nvidia as a buy candidate 7 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.59% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock has recently broken the wide and falling short-term trend. This could potentially signal a shift in the overall trend. While the rate of decline has slowed down, it is important to note that this may be an early indication of a possible trend reversal. On the downside, there is support at the previous trend's broken roof, which is currently at $478.27. This level may provide a second opportunity for the stock to rebound. However, it is worth considering that according to fan theory, there is a resistance level at $557.38, which may not be easily surpassed in the first attempt. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 3.93% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return during this period ranges from minus 20.66% to minus 4.94%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a significant 198.32% change over the next year. This translates to a potential return between 159.17% and 251.33%, indicating a price range of $1,252.68 to $1,698.14 after 12 months. Our latest update on Nvidia brings a positive headline: Green Day on Friday for Nvidia. On the last trading day, which was Friday, November 10, 2023, the Nvidia stock price showed a gain of 2.95%. It went up from $469.50 to $483.35. This marks the stock's 8th consecutive day of gains. While it's not common for stocks to rise for so many days in a row, it's worth noting that a temporary decline may occur in the near future. On the last trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $472.83 and a high of $484.72, a difference of 2.51%. In the past 10 days, the stock price has risen in 9 of them, resulting in a 19.35% increase over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 11 million shares on the last day. In total, approximately $19.93 billion worth of Nvidia shares were bought and sold, with a total of 41 million shares exchanged. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume paired with higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $502.30, while the lowest price was $138.84. Currently, the stock price is 3.77% or $18.95 below the 52-week high of $502.30, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Today, we'll be discussing the latest analyst ratings for Nvidia. Let's start with the report from Morgan Stanley on Friday, October 27, 2023. They gave Nvidia an equal weight grade with a hold action. Next, on Tuesday, October 3, 2023, Jefferies upgraded their grade for Nvidia to hold. In another report on the same day, Goldman Sachs gave Nvidia an overweight grade with a hold action. Goldman Sachs also upgraded Nvidia to a neutral grade. Lastly, KeyBank gave Nvidia an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts unanimously recommend buying Nvidia stock, giving it a strong buy rating. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio as excellent buying opportunities, also rating them as strong buys. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have a neutral outlook on the stock. Today, we'll be analyzing the signals for Nvidia stock. Let's dive in. The chart for Nvidia shows mostly positive signals. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a positive forecast for the stock, indicating a buy. Additionally, the relation between these two signals confirms the buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections, there is support at $460.11 and $439.30 levels. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 19.86%. This suggests a further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. Despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. Therefore, it is important to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. One signal to consider is the moving average convergence divergence, which indicated a buy signal. Another signal to look at is the pivots, which showed a buy signal 12 days ago. The Bollinger signal also indicated a buy signal 1 day ago. Additionally, the short-term moving average gave a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average also provided a buy signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 5 days ago. Now, if we take a look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. The short moving average gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 13 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signal updates. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. Nvidia's support level can be found at $471.63, which is where the accumulated volume suggests a potential buying opportunity. When this support level is tested, we can expect an upwards reaction in the stock price. In terms of risk, Nvidia has average movements during the day and a good trading volume. This puts the risk at a medium level. In the past day, the stock price fluctuated by $11.89, which is equivalent to a 2.51% change. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been 2.45%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's start by covering some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Nvidia has an exceptionally high PE ratio, which suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q3 2023 is scheduled for November 21, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share stand at $3.34. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $487.84. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $471.63. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, as we anticipate a rebound in the stock price. According to multiple analyst sources, Nvidia has a strong buy rating. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On October 6, 2023, Drell Persis sold 2,300 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Sjoquist Deborah sold 7,951 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Robertson Donald F. Jr. sold 3,068 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Puri Ajay K. sold 8,458 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Cress Collette sold 8,919 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is negative with a ratio of -18.794. Overall, insiders purchased 421,264 shares and sold 627,435 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss at $468.46, which represents a decrease of 3.08%. This particular stock tends to have moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 11 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? There are several positive short-term signals, and the upward break from the falling trend suggests a possible shift in direction. We believe that the prices around the breaking point indicate particularly good levels to consider, but we also think that the current level could be a good buy opportunity in the short term. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, November 13th, we expect Nvidia to open with a decrease of $3.05 and start trading at $480.30. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, it's important to remember that there is a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to speak with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is a source of information and should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We would love to hear your opinion on our current view of the stock. Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We hope you have a successful trading experience and enjoy a beautiful day. Warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.